looking at here, we're seeing declines in terms of rentals, like what the asking prices are, and even what some of these are renting for. And Vancouver, year over year, seeing 7% decline. Toronto seeing a 6% decline. I think when you've got less people here in demand for those rentals, with more of them coming online, this is what you'd expect to see.
Yeah, Toronto down 6%, 7%. You got Mississauga for the 2 bedrooms. Actually, the 1 bedroom down 4.6%. So you're seeing these 1 bedrooms really getting smashed in the GTA area. And if we go over to Ben Rabideau's post that's next to this chart, we're seeing international students. These numbers are scaling back significantly. International students are either renting bedrooms or they're renting 1 bedroom apartments. And so we went from vacancy being the absolute lowest it's been since 2010 to the absolute highest it's been since 2010. And, Ben and myself as well, I rent to students. I've seen this as well happen, that the international students, when I first started renting to students, I had, maybe 10 Canadian students from Canada lined up at my front door. And by 2021, 2022, I had 100 people lined up at my door to look at a bedroom, and they were from all over the world and Canada. So I saw firsthand the impact that's had that on the rental market. Was we had a lot of people come here for school, and they were looking for places to live, and it had an effect on places with universities, colleges, and now that's scaling back now, and we're starting to see it in the data.
Yeah, absolutely. And the crazy fact that it went from a record low to a record high in the span of 12 months.
Yeah, just like that. And so many economists, and Ben's 100% right. I've seen some of his other comments on this. So many economists said the students have no effect whatsoever on these markets. It's not that, it's this or it's that. And the data speaks for itself. It had an impact on the market. It drove rents for everyday people through the roof because we were using universities, colleges as just a way to funnel people into the country, have them pay all this money. I hope we get this under control and we sort out a respectable number of international students to come so that our communities aren't the rentals in our communities aren't seeing massive upticks in rental prices.
Yeah. I think at the end of the day, any plan that gets created needs to be sustainable. And clearly that wasn't the case where we were those last couple of years.